Welcome to Attackett Adventures today. Today we're at Sand Hills Horticulture, and this thing in front of us, I don't know who built it. I read a magazine that this man came and built this out of vines and stuff, but I was just coming in here to show y'all what it looks like. He's supposed to be an artist that did it. Maybe they'll have a plaque eventually if I come up on one. We're going to go in the middle. Can't zoom out. This is pretty neat. I think they did this all by hand too. I have been here before and did a video here. If I see something newer again like this, I'll videotape it. If not, this is all y'all get. Let me see if I can get a view of this. There we go. So thanks for watching Attackett Adventures, and make sure you go subscribe and hit that like button and attack the day in your neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so I found information on that sculpture. It's called What Goes Around Comes Around. Patrick Daughtry began sculpting What Goes Around Comes Around June 2021 and completed the installation in 3 weeks with the help of his son and many volunteers at the college. They constructed Canadian imported willow spalings in his vision of a fuchsia dogwood blossom. No metal or foreign materials were used. The sculpture is not meant to be permanent, but will deteriorate back into the environment over several years. Mother Nature decides the timeline. So this is where we're at, and we are here.